Good morning. Dedication, energy, excellence, success, honor. These are the ideals we strive to incorporate into our daily lives. These are the ideals that can transform a person's life. And these are the ideals embodied by my band, the Travis Tiger Band. As a member of this band, I've had the opportunity to travel across the state of Texas and attend marching competitions and auditions. And while these experiences are definitely worth sharing, simply attending practice every day, learning new notes and rhythms, understanding the concept of pitch, and learning how to listen to and balance with the musicians around me has taught me some of the skills that are vital to succeeding in today's world. One such skill is situational awareness. During any given moment of an audition or performance, a musician has to read the music, has to follow the conductor, has to feel the beat, has to listen to the rest of the band, has to think ahead, and they have to remember to play their instrument. So these are some of the skills of a musician. Now I'll examine them through the lenses of physics and neuroscience. On the most basic level, music consists of vibrations or oscillations known as sound waves, and these vibrations transfer energy through a medium such as air. Once these vibrations reach the ear, they travel through the external auditory canal towards the inner ear to the cochlea. Now, the cochlea is responsible for transforming sound energy into neural impulses, which are electrical signals through which the brain communicates. So from here, these signals are then transmitted to the auditory cortex where the sounds are processed. According to cognitive scientist Daniel Levitin, sound is not only processed in the auditory cortex, but it's also processed in regions such as the prefrontal cortex. So prefrontal cortex is responsible for planning, decision-making, and is also involved in personality development. So one implication of this is that music engages the same regions of the brain that allow us to think critically, plan intelligently, and act honorably. In other words, music can help make us better people, or help us practice the skills that can make us better people. So to further explain the impact music has on the mind, I'm going to do a little demonstration, and I'm going to play an audio clip designed by a group of researchers from the Stanford School of Medicine. And at the end of this clip, I would like to ask y'all which part of this clip you felt you were the most engaged. Okay, so please raise your hand if you felt your brain was the most engaged during the first half of this clip. Okay, please raise your hand if you felt you were most engaged during the second half of this clip. Okay, and now raise your hand if you thought you were engaged during the middle of this clip. Before I explain this answer, I'm going to play this video one more time, but this time with the visual representation of the neural activity. So as you could see, there were more red parts or more neural activity during the transition, the period of silence, the middle of this clip. And I myself initially thought it was the beginning, and that's reasonable because it was just a faster tempo. And for most people, a faster tempo is more stimulating than a slower tempo. But the reason that it was a silence, the period of transition, is because of a process called event segmentation. Event segmentation refers to how the brain anticipates and organizes incoming information. And according to an article analyzing the study, the process of listening to music sharpens this ability to anticipate events, and it helps us stay engaged, or in other words, stay situationally aware. So what are some of the global implications of the impact music has on the mind? One is that staying engaged is vital to being able to learn effectively. According to Borgen magazine, music education in conjunction with a solid core curriculum has been shown to ensure higher enrollment rates, lower dropout rates, and increased academic performance. So while it is true that increased academic performance and lower dropout rates can transform individual lives, they can also shape communities. One example of this benefit is demonstrated by El Sistema. El Sistema is a music education program in Venezuela, and according to a report, Every dollar invested in El Sistema's music education programs results in $1.68 in social dividends. And for those of you who do not know, social dividends are a proposal for distributing the income generated by publicly owned enterprises to the rest of the community. So investing in the education of children has the potential effect of uplifting an entire community economically. So if music has the power to help children learn more effectively and can create more energetic, intelligent, and empowered communities, then I believe that music education should be an option for every single child in our world. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.